How's it going, Ecomi Reddit? My name is Jacob Hannafin, and today I will be looking into some technical analysis into the OMI token and kind of breaking down the market a little bit and what we're seeing. And today is currently the time is currently 2:08. Today is July 9th, 2021. It is 2:08 a.m. Eastern, and we're going to take a look. And I'm also going to say this is not financial advice. This video is strictly for educational purposes only, so I just wanted to put that out there, that any money put into this based off of information in this video I am not responsible for. So let's get into it. So as we can see here, I've pulled up, we're going to break down the market kind of on a top-down analysis. And I apologize, I am a little tired. It is 2:08 a.m. and yeah, it's been a long day. Let's get into it. So, I'm also going to say we're not going to go over any fundamentals or include any correlative assets like Bitcoin. We're just going to strictly look into OMI's price action. So, based off the weekly already, this candle hard rejected basically the 5,000 area. Personally, I think we really need to look on the higher time frames in order to make the right decisions on where the market's going to move, and as well as having a plan of action to execute on. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this low as this is the low it traded to close to the open, which was relatively 1085, I believe, on Gate.io, which is the broker I'm using, or exchange. And let's see. Actually, I have been waiting for this bearishness to enter the market. In my opinion, the market is still bearish as of now. Just looking at rules of what a bearish market is, creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So that's what we're seeing here. Evidently, that's why we need to use the higher time frames, because I think a lot of people lost context into this as what is actually happening, because they're, they might be glued to the 1 hour or the 30-minute or something, where you cannot, you can't see all the data. So anyway, from the weekly, I'm just gonna note that since we have wicked that 5,000 area, I would like to see this weekly candle close practically bearish, in my opinion, because I'd like to buy lower. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and mark that area. Oops. Mark that area. Alright. And considering this low right here as well, but in terms of entries, we'll get into that as we dive deeper into the daily and hourly and all that mess. So still, we are in a bearish market, in my opinion. We failed to break this high right here, 52.20, and we are currently rejecting that area as of now, still in the daily. Yeah, I'm still overall bearish. I think Bitcoin is trading at 30k, 20. I can't even. I don't know. I'm not even gonna look at it. Actually, I've got to look at it real quick, because it actually does. Yeah, it's actually 33 right now. But considering that we could see lower price in Bitcoin, we could see lower price in OMI as well. But we all know the real reason why. Cryptos need to trade lower in the next coming month or so. Anyway, so let's go down to the 4 hour. I'm also gonna, before I get into the 4 hour real quick, I'm gonna just mention this is going to be a YouTube channel. I'm going to try to post weekly here, or just quick updates if I can catch them. If something drastic happens in the market or something fundamental breaks that will move the market or sway it independently in either direction. And that's also something we're going to try to stay aware of, is both sides of the market. A lot of people are bullish from these recent, lower time frame bullish moves that we've seen, like but I've still yet to see any evidence of proper, in this case, bigger player orders, or just, I guess, institutional players in these markets, the whales, essentially. So, as we technically still remain bearish, we can really see two scenarios play out from here. I'd personally like to see price trade down, but if price does happen to trade up and stays above these levels, then we will, of course, see that's more evidence in terms of, these highs being taken up here. And but personally, I'd like to see the lower, but we are going to keep both options available. I was I think around 42.25, I think. I posted this meme on the Ecomi Reddit, and that was just me kind of anticipating this bearish price action to be printed later on, because I'm anticipating price minimally to go to 15, in my opinion. I'll go ahead and mark that as well. And we are on the 4 hour as well. We're going to keep that in mind. I'm not going to point out any specific candles or anything. We're just going to keep it simple as for now. So in terms of price, I'm not really going to go too far into the lower time frames, maybe the hour. I'd say kind of try to keep this video short. But if price trades below here and starts breaking these lows, and as well as, Bitcoin doing its thing and potentially moving lower, driving the rest of the market lower, we will, this could be a very possible scenario. And if, we start to see bulls, we'll see them, they'll be evidently seen in the market. So, my name is Jacob, as known as use/FRXtrader in the Ecomi Reddit. As of now, by the time I post this video to YouTube, I'm sure I'll have a channel name or something to do. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into Premiere and edit this real quick and go to sleep. So yeah, personally, I'm anticipating that 15 mark. Yeah, y'all have a good night, and we'll catch you on the next video. Like and comment and subscribe, and let me know how I did. Thanks. Have a good one.